The Tesla spotlight is brighter than ever, so it's time to start your engines and get ready. We're going to go into the fascinating world of Tesla in this video, where delivery estimates and figures are the buzzwords of the day. But fasten your seatbelts, because we are going to examine this from the viewpoint of none other than Dan Ives, one of Tesla's biggest supporters. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News before we continue our conversation. Having said that, let's move forward. Have you ever wondered why people are always comparing Tesla to other players, such as Rivian? It's all about the recent surge of excitement caused by seeing Rivian cars on the road. There's no denying that Rivian's remarkable 15,000 deliveries have created quite the excitement, but there's more to the tale. With its astounding 435,000 plus deliveries, Tesla continues to be the undisputed titan in this enormous field of electric mobility. The current stats are very astounding when we enlarge on them. Rivian's production line is on track to produce almost 52,000 cars this year alone, which is a remarkable accomplishment in and of itself. But what really steals the show is Tesla's bold aim to produce an astounding 1.8 million cars. This is a declaration of Tesla's unshakable commitment to completely changing the automotive industry, not simply a number. In summary, Tesla's magnitude and ambition are radically different from Rivian's, despite the latter's undeniable early success. The electric pioneer maintains its position as the industry leader by continuing to set the standard incredibly high. Naturally, however, the story of Tesla is far from ended. It keeps going, breaking rules and igniting the planet in a variety of ways with every day that goes by. With so much competition, the issue that's on everyone's mind right now is, where does Tesla stand? We challenge those who doubt Tesla, pointing out that its scope and worldwide reach are simply unrivaled. Let's now change our focus and look at Dan Ives, one of Tesla's staunchest advocates. He is adamant that Tesla is unique, and here are some reasons why you should be too. During the third quarter, Tesla made a big move on the automotive chessboard in a highly anticipated and monitored turn of events. 435,059 automobiles have been rolled out by the electric vehicle juggernaut. Yet when we get into the specifics, the story takes an intriguing turn. Even by most accounts, this astonishing figure was only marginally above Wall Street's astronomical forecasts. Now let's take a moment to put things into perspective. Tesla was an unstoppable force in the previous quarter, delivering an incredible 466,000 automobiles. The assembly lines were producing invention after innovation at maximum capacity. During that historic time, Tesla seemed to be operating at full capacity and demonstrating to the world the vast possibilities that lay ahead of it. Considering that Tesla produced an incredible 479,000 autos in that same fast-paced quarter, this was a noteworthy advancement. When we move forward to the third quarter, we observe a slight decline in delivery figures of 7%. Even if some would view this as a setback, it's important to remember that Tesla's performance is still impressive by all measures. The electric giant's ongoing significance in the quickly changing automotive industry is demonstrated by its capacity to reliably create and deliver hundreds of thousands of automobiles. This episode emphasizes Tesla's culture of unwavering pursuit of excellence. Tesla's dedication to innovation and electrification is unwavering, even as they manage the ups and downs of market expectations. In actuality, what might seem like a brief stop is actually a calculated turn in the direction of a much more promising future in which Tesla will keep pushing the envelope of what is conceivable in the field of environmentally friendly transportation. Let's now hear the extraordinary securities expert Dan Ives comment on these numbers. He claims that neither the Tesla camp nor its investors are shocked by the small decline in Q3 earnings. But why does he think this way, and why should you, as an investor, continue to believe in Tesla? That's the intriguing secret we're going to reveal. Therefore, you should reconsider if you believed that Tesla's career was over. It might be the beginning of a path toward unfathomable success. Isn't that a tale worth telling now? But if we dig farther into the Tesla universe, the consensus among analysts dipped somewhat to 461,000 units. This represented a 2.5% decline, which caused some market skepticism. The narrative intensifies at this point, though. Pierre Ferragu, an analyst at New Street Research, had an alternative prediction. He made a daring prediction of 438,000 units, noting two elements that would change the game. Farragut highlighted how disruptions might have a cascading effect by pointing to plant shutdowns as a major contributing element to this possible shortfall. Another factor was Tesla's decision to replace its current set of models with a redesigned Model 3 that will be produced in China and Europe. Farragut's prediction of 438,000 units was not merely a small departure. It represented a 6% decrease from the remarkable 466,000 units realized in Q2. However, compared to the 344,000 units generated in the same quarter of 2022, it represented a stunning 27% increase. Let's now turn our attention to Dan Ives, a well-known Tesla bull who has recently caused a stir in the stock market. He increased his target price for Tesla by a significant $50, making it a daunting $350. His justification: he's all about Tesla's proven business ability, that's for sure. Ives emphasized Tesla's skill at making money off of valuable assets like its network of superchargers and its state-of-the-art self-driving technologies. This commendation is in reaction to Tesla's second quarter results announcement, which precipitated an early pre-market decline in the company's stock price of 4%. Ives, though, notices something that others might overlook. He sees a lot of money in Tesla's supercharger network, especially as the firm grows its partnerships with other electric vehicle makers. Moreover, he sees Tesla's earnings rising even further if it implements its complete self-driving technology more widely. Ives also acknowledged Tesla's triumphant price wars in the US, Europe, and China. Tesla continues to march forward, converting these price wars into home runs, while established manufacturers find it difficult to stay up with its price reductions. However, what is it that Dan Ives sees that others miss? We're going to find out soon, though. Dan Ives admitted in a recent interview that supply chain issues and shortages of chips are macroeconomic concerns that have clouded global auto production. Crucially, he underlined that these issues impact the entire industry and are not exclusive to Tesla. It's critical to remember that Tesla has no influence over the current circumstances. Ives vehemently maintained that it's critical to ignore transitory delivery variations and concentrate on Tesla's long-term growth trajectory. He underlined that Tesla is still leading the EV market and is expected to see rapid expansion in the coming years. As an astute investor, he stressed that although Q3 delivery numbers may have lagged somewhat short of projections, they represent merely a minor anomaly in relation to Tesla's overall growth and market leadership. In its most recent earnings report, Tesla restated that scheduled manufacturing upgrades were the cause of the sequential fall in volumes. Significantly, the business restated its volume goal for 2023, which is to produce about 1.8 million cars. This demonstrates Tesla's steadfast dedication to its long-term goals. Many analysts have been keeping a close eye on Tesla, particularly in these uncertain times. It is noteworthy, however, that a number of analysts have maintained their bullishness and have set price estimates for Tesla's stock that range from $1,300 to $1,400 per share over the course of the next 12 months. The world is watching as Tesla is about to embark on an exciting new chapter in its career. It's critical to take into account the opinions of many analysts regarding Tesla's growth trajectory as we turn our attention to the future. All of these analysts agree that Tesla is in a strong position to grow in the upcoming quarters and years in terms of sales volume, revenue, earnings, and cash flow. A route towards steady positive free cash flow, a strengthened bottom line, lower debt levels, a rise in market share, and the launch of fresh, cutting-edge goods and services are other predictions made by some. It is anticipated that these favorable dynamics will have a major effect on Tesla's total revenue, which will in turn affect the price of its shares. But there's always a range of views in the field of financial forecasting. While a large number of experts have bullish views on Tesla's stock, there is another group that has gloomy outlooks and price targets between $1,120 and $1,200 per share. This group is worried about the obstacles Tesla may face in the near future, including as increased competition, cost pressures, regulatory scrutiny, legal threats, and market volatility. But even as it marches on with confidence, uncertainty has crept in, throwing doubt on its lofty goals and daring projections. These pledges include an astounding range of innovative projects, all of which have the potential to completely transform the automobile industry. Above all, the development of Tesla's complete self-driving software has been nothing short of a technological marvel. However, it is precisely this miracle that has raised doubts and queries. Is Tesla able to fulfill its promise of completely autonomous vehicles? The prospect of autonomous vehicles offering unmatched security and ease is nothing short of revolutionary. But as the path toward complete autonomy develops, the obstacles continue to be severe and complex, leaving many to question whether Tesla's vision will come to pass. In the world of trucks, the Cybertruck is a futuristic marvel that has generated equal parts criticism and enthusiasm. Though its angular, daring look and claimed powers have captivated interest, can Tesla maintain this audacious idea and turn it into a workable, mass-produced car? The world waits in suspense to see the answer to this persistent query. In a similar vein, Tesla's entry into the electric semi-truck market might upend the logistics sector. Improved efficiency, lower emissions, and a peek into a cleaner long-haul transportation future are all promised by the Semi. But it's a difficult and drawn-out process from concept to reality, and there are still questions about Tesla's capacity to properly negotiate this unexplored territory. The world's auto aficionados are ecstatic about the resuscitation of the legendary Roadster sports car. Tesla has made bold promises about speed and performance, but will they be able to create a vehicle that both honors and outperforms its predecessor in every way? Last but not least, Tesla's expansive plans to build gigafactories. Megafactories built to manufacture cars and batteries on a never-before-seen scale have the power to completely transform the electric vehicle market. But can Tesla meet the rapidly increasing demand for their products while simultaneously building and running these enormous facilities in an efficient and sustainable manner? Though these uncertainties loom like ghosts in the distance, it's critical to keep in mind that Tesla has a track record of exceeding expectations and creating new frontiers. The business has a history of constant innovation and flexibility. When faced with adversity, Tesla has proven to have the extraordinary capacity to change course, advance, and eventually prevail. Despite the divergent opinions, Dan Ives maintains that Tesla's long-term growth trajectory is still strong, even though the company's Q3 delivery numbers may not have fulfilled short-term expectations. He highlights Tesla's leadership in the industry and its remarkable capacity for problem-solving, which makes it a strong contender in the alternative energy sector. Ives declares that he has complete faith in Tesla's ability to overcome challenges in the supply chain and keep its leadership position. This is the way of thinking that every Tesla investor ought to adopt. Even skeptics acknowledge that Tesla is more than just an ordinary automaker. It is a revolutionary force in the automotive sector. Therefore, evaluating Tesla's performance exclusively on the basis of its Q3 delivery figures would be premature. Think about the plethora of projects that are in the works: the development of the supercharger network, the possibility of robots, the possibility of robotaxis, and revolutionary advances in battery technology. These developments could completely change the industry and establish Tesla's hegemony. We've made our way through many turns and turns today, noting the questions that come up along the road and celebrating its enormous accomplishments. We have revealed the intricate story of this electric behemoth, from its astounding delivery figures and unwavering domination to the skepticism surrounding its audacious endeavors. We encourage you to leave your ideas and opinions in the comments section below as we come to the end of our exploration of the Tesla universe. If you enjoyed reading this debate, please subscribe to Tesla Stock News and click the like button for more fascinating updates. We appreciate your presence in this video.